and London Waterloo. This train has 8 carriages.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Train Sight. My name is Levi and today we're at Guildford on the Portsmouth Direct Line. So today we're seeing services by South Western Railway, Great Western Railway, potentially cross country and potentially Southern. Don't think there'll be any freight. You don't get much here. 456001 is there. It's going to be forming service to Epsom. 450012 is going to be forming service to Farnham. It was. Yeah. All going well. So let's see what's going to happen here at Guildford. Okay, 456001 is off to Epsom with her companions. 455913 in the middle. Definitely did not expect that to move that soon. That wasn't hanging around for very long at all. On the rear is 455725. There's 450006 that's going to London Waterloo. Yeah, well done. You keep ticking along, my friend. Carry on. You get a Bourbon. 450006 is now about ready to depart with a South Western Railway service London Waterloo. But from I believe Portsmouth. Okay then, well, be weird about it. You don't need to, but apparently you are. Well, yeah. So, excuse the camel work. Oh, yeah, you carry on. You get a curry. At the rear is 450045. Oh, here comes the pairing with 444s, I believe. Into Portsmouth Harbour? Possibly. No idea. Do you have a clue? No, I don't have a clue either. You're going somewhere, anyway. Well, you're definitely going somewhere, otherwise you aren't going to be moving. Clearly. 44014 at the front of this. Incredibly dirty. Wow. It's amazing how much dirt is kicked off these trains. 4032 is at the rear. Oh, well, network of turbos turned up. Lovely, lovely. Okay, the pairing of 444s is about ready to go. Anytime you like. When the network is departing, I don't even know the number of it. Anytime soon, pal. There we are. That doesn't sound very healthy at all. What was it? It's on 4032 on the way. Forgotten the front. There's another network turbo in the distance. Well, I don't know when that's off. Probably waiting for that before the move. There it is. And there is our network turbo along with 450012. Okay, now departing is 455869 with the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Oh, both network turbos are now moving. Lovely, lovely. This is 165103. You're going off to Reading from Redhill. Very easy to get those two mixed up. I know. And the Network Turbo coming in will be working a service to Gatwick Airport. I do like Network Turbo, it's a shame where they're going to go. Going to go from the North Downs line area, from the Reading area, very soon. They're going to be replaced by the... Whoa! Go on, girl! That's one of the reasons why I like him. 6518 over here. Yep, Gatwick Airport. Yeah, we're going to be replaced by 769s, and then they're all going to go to the Bristol area. So they're still going to be able to see him, but just at Bristol. Okay, now about to come past, surprisingly, is a pair of 73s on a Network Rail test train. Yeah, interesting. A pair of 73s on Network Rail test train. Definitely wasn't expecting this. Down there. Lovely. Well, I'm gonna walk down the platform then if you were doing that. Yep, you're stopping there. Right. Okay. Well, I'm gonna walk down the platform then. Okay, I've got to the back. I've gotten to the this end of the train. I've completely forgotten the other 73. It's the 73963 Janice. And here comes 450s. 450s. Lovely jubbly. 450-069 is at the front of this. This is going to London Waterloo. This is just a singular set. Interesting. Now, why on earth would you have a train to London Waterloo consisting of just 4 carriages? I tried to ask the question on the way to Woking this morning. Slapped on a 5-carriage train. Enjoy that juice. And while we're here, I might as well do the boring fact checking with class 73-9. Weight 76.5 tonnes, brake force 31, ETH index, whatever that is, 38, RA again, whatever that is, 6, and it has a maximum speed of 90 miles an hour. That's the boring part of the video done. I think 450-069 is getting ready to depart with the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. I believe it's the 1319 service. 455 over there.
25 South Western Railway service to Portsmouth Southsea by 19 minutes.
Fun.
This is because of a fault of the signalling system. Sorry, your journey is
That's fine. I'm not getting that train. Okay, 2 455s have turned up. This one is 4558 something 4. 864, and that's 455701. It's just turned up. It's going to be working other services. And also that's 73965. Okay, it's a kind of strange departure. I'll have to leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like what you see today, do make sure you like and subscribe. I have no idea what my next session is going to be. I don't know if I'm continuing on today or I'm going straight to the next day of filming. What I do know is that I will try and get Basingstoke done as quickly as possible. I'll try and get Basingstoke done today, however there's too much disruption going on to make any kind of video. So we're going to put Basingstoke off. If I can't do Basingstoke next time, then next filming date, then I will try and get Hastings and Tunbridge in. We'll make a change from South Western Railway. Just seeing South Western Railway the whole time. See a bit of South Eastern instead. So anyway, from me, Guildford. Goodbye. Thank you very much.